Hello, my name's Alice and I'm an architecture graduate from London. Today I've decided to make my pavilion out of pre-cut squares because I want to see how dynamic it is as a material. So I'm going to manipulate this one material only just by adding the same folds in each sheet of paper and then seeing what kind of shapes I can come up with. So I've decided I'm going to make 4 folds, 2 diagonal and 2 across the length. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for example, for my first shape from these 4 folds, I'm going to create something that looks like this. Now the reason I'm doing it I've decided to do it this way is because I really love geometric forms in architecture. So I'm trying to add a geometric 3 dimension to a very, very simple flat 2D material. Just from a change in direction, you can already see how dynamic one very small square piece of paper can be. So now I've started to fold some shapes out of the same material. I'm going to try compiling them on my base to see what kind of architectural spaces I can create with them. The nice thing about using one material and folding along one dimension is that hopefully some of the pieces will start to have a relationship to one another even if you weren't trying. The wonderful thing about folded geometry is that because you fold things inwards and outwards and back on themselves, it does create a wonderful kind of complex series of interlocking shapes. Always trying to look around to see what interior and exterior spaces this geometry is creating.